Have you ever stopped to consider what the wealthy know that you don't? What secrets lie behind their success? Today, we're peeling back the curtain to reveal the time-tested strategies that can lead to prosperity. Welcome to Quick Book Dose, the channel where we distill the essence of best-selling books into powerful insights. Today, we're serving up a special blend of prosperity and success with our summary of The Science of Getting Rich. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be enriched. The philosophy of wealth. Have you ever wondered what separates the wealthy from the rest? It's not luck, it's science. In this opening segment, we delve deep into the fundamental philosophy that Wallace Wattles presents in The Science of Getting Rich. Wealth is not merely a stroke of luck or privilege bestowed upon a select few. It is a result of understanding and applying precise principles rooted in universal laws. Wattles introduces the concept of the certain way, a systematic approach to thinking and acting that aligns with the natural laws of wealth creation. This philosophy asserts that there is indeed a science to getting rich, and it is accessible to anyone willing to learn and diligently apply its principles. The action steps. What if I told you that becoming rich could be as simple as following a recipe? Wallace Wattles doesn't just philosophize about wealth. He provides actionable steps that individuals can take to manifest abundance in their lives. The first crucial step is to cultivate a clear and definite vision of what you want to achieve. This vision must be supported by a concrete plan of action that outlines the specific steps needed to realize your goals. Wattles emphasizes the importance of proactive creation rather than passive competition, suggesting that true wealth stems from creating value and providing meaningful benefits to others. By doing so, you naturally attract riches and opportunities to you. The power of thought. Did you know that your thoughts have the power to shape your bank account? In Wattles' philosophy, the power of thought is a central and transformative concept. He posits that our thoughts have the ability to shape our reality, and by maintaining a positive, purposeful mindset focused on abundance and success, we can attract the wealth we desire. This segment explores the profound idea that thoughts are indeed things, and when we consistently focus our thoughts on abundance and prosperity, we set in motion the universal forces that will manifest them into reality. The science in practice. Imagine if every day presented an opportunity to grow richer. Well, it can. Wallace Wattles emphasizes that the science of getting rich is not merely theoretical. It requires consistent, disciplined practice. This segment encourages viewers to apply the principles outlined in Wattles' philosophy daily, turning the science of wealth creation into a habitual practice. It's about taking deliberate actions every day that align with your vision of wealth and success, thereby transforming abstract concepts into tangible achievements and financial prosperity. Gratitude and advancement. Are you truly grateful for what you have? Because gratitude could be your ticket to even greater abundance. Wallace Wattles emphasizes the power of gratitude as a driving force in the science of getting rich. Expressing genuine gratitude for the blessings and opportunities you have already received sets the stage for attracting even more abundance into your life. This segment also delves into the importance of personal advancement and continuous growth. Wattles underscores that ongoing learning, self-improvement, and expanding one's capabilities are pivotal in maximizing your potential and, consequently, your wealth and success. If you're eager to continue your journey towards knowledge and success, don't stop here. Dive into the wealth of insights waiting for you on Quick Book Dose. Explore our channel for more book summaries that can transform your life. Remember, a book a day keeps ignorance at bay. So, subscribe, explore, and let's grow together.